Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about multiplication of matrix. The product of two matrices is defined only when number of columns of A is equal to the number of rows of B. Otherwise, matrix multiplication is not defined. यहाँ तक बात समझ में आई। इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि दो मैट्रिक्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन हमेशा पॉसिबल नहीं है। केवल एक ही स्थिति में पॉसिबल होगा जब पहले मैट्रिक्स के नंबर ऑफ कॉलम की संख्या दूसरे मैट्रिक्स के नंबर ऑफ रोज की संख्या के बराबर है। जैसे मान लेते हैं हमारे पास एक मैट्रिक्स है A इज इक्वल टू ए आई जे एम क्रॉस एन एंड B इज इक्वल टू बी जे के एन क्रॉस बी. Then here number of columns in first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Therefore, as per definition of the multiplication of matrices, this product of matrix A and B is possible, defined, and we get AB is equal to CIK M cross P. Now, how to get the CIK? CIK is the element of product of matrix A B. It is obtained by multiplying AI1 B1K plus AI2 B2K plus and so on plus A1 and BNK, or we can simply write sigma j is equal to 1 to n Aij Bjk. Consider A is equal to 1 2 3 4 2 cross 2, and consider B is equal to 2 4 5 6 7 8. Look at here. In matrix A, number of column is 2. In matrix B, number of rows. So as per definition of multiplication of matrices, the product AB is possible, and the order of resultant matrix is 2 cross 3. AB is possible and order of AB is 2 plus 3. Now, the element in the product of AB is obtained by AB is equal to C11 C12 C13 C21 C22 C23. C11 is given by A11 multiplied with B11 plus A12 is multiplied with B21. We get here A11. A11 is this element is multiplied by these elements. A11 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4. Okay. Now C12 C12 means A11 is multiplied with B1 2 plus A1 2 is multiplied with B2 2. It means that we multiply the corresponding element of this row with this row. What will get here? 1 into 5 plus 2 into 6. 17. C13 if obtained by the multiply the first row with the third column. We'll get here A11 is multiplied with B13 plus A12 is multiplied with B23 1 into 7 plus 2 into 8. आई बात समझ में? Similarly, we find C21 A is equal to 1 2 3 4 and B is equal to 2 5 7 4 6 8 3 7. find C 2 1 means we have to multiply second row and first column. Get 3 into 2 plus 4 into 4. Next, C 2 2 for this we multiply this row with this column, get here 3 into 5 plus 4 into 6, 15 plus 54. C 2 3 for this we multiply this row with this column, we'll find 3 into 7 plus 4 into 8. So the resultant matrix is given by AB is equal to C21 is 22, 39, 53 and यहाँ है 10, 17, 23. आई बात समझ में? Now, in general, matrix multiplication is not commutative. आई बात समझ में? यहाँ तक आप लोग को चलिए मेरा suppose that A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we get AB. As per definition we find here. It is possible, it is 2 cross 2, it is 2 cross 3, so it is resultant matrices are of order 2 plus 3. Now here we find AB 1 cross 1 plus 2 cross 4, 1 cross 2 plus 2 into 5, 1 cross 3 plus 2 into 6, 3 into 1 plus 4 into 4, 3 into 2 plus 4 into 5, 3 into 3 plus 4 into 6. We got here 9, 19, 26 and but if we find BA is not possible. So AB is not necessarily equal to BA. यहाँ पर एक स्थिति में AB पॉसिबल है, AB की मैट्रिक्स है, बट BA इज नॉट पॉसिबल. Next, BA, if the product of two matrices is a zero matrix, it is not necessary that one of the matrix is zero matrix. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि अगर आपके पास दो नंबर हैं A B, अगर इसका वैल्यू ज़ीरो आता है तो व्हाट वी कंसीडर हियर, A इज इक्वल टू ज़ीरो और B इक्वल टू ज़ीरो और बोथ ऑफ ज़ीरो. But in case of matrices, if product of two matrices is 0, it doesn't mean that both any one of them must be 0. Consider here example A is equal to 0, 0, -1, 2, and B is equal to 3, 5, 0, 0. Both are non-zero matrix. Now you find AB. we find that 0 0 0 0. So if we obtain the product of any two matrix is 0, it doesn't mean that any one of them is 0. Now there are some properties of matrix multiplication. The matrix multiplication is of matrices possesses the following properties. The associated law. For any three matrices A, B and C, AB into C is equal to A into BC. Next one, distributive law. For any three matrices A, B and C, A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. And third, the existence of multiplication identity IA is equal to AI is equal to A, where A is square matrix. Now we are discussing some questions related to multiplication of matrix. Example number 16. NCRT, page number 76. A is equal to, it is given that 1 1 minus 1 2 0 3 3 minus 1 2. B is equal to 1 3 0 2 minus 1 4, and C is equal to 1 2 3 minus 4 2 0 minus 2 1. We have to find A into BC, AB into C, and so that ABC is equal to ABC. Solution. AB is equal to A one 1 minus 1 2 0 3 3 minus 1 2, and B 1 3 0 2 minus 1 4. Here the order of matrix is 3 cross 3. Here it in the order of 3 cross 2. So the matrix multiplication is defined and order of resultant matrix is 3 cross 2. Three cross 2. Now here we find the entries here. Multiply this row with this column. We get here 1 0 plus 1, that is 2. Now multiply this row by this column. Three, 2, 5, 2, 5 minus 4. You get here 1. Now multiply this row by this column. We obtain this entry. Two, 0, minus 3. 2, 0, minus 3. Minus 1. Now again multiply this row we find this entry. Six, 0, 18. Now we find this entry. multiply this row by this column. Three, 0, 1. Now multiply this row by this column. So 8, 9, 17, 15, 50. Now here it is AB. Now we have to find in multiplied ABC. A B into C. So here AB is 2, 1, minus 1, 80, 1, 50, and C is 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, 1. Its order is 2 cross 4. Its order is 3 cross 2. So the matrix will be order 3 cross 4. 4 column, 3 row. Now we want to find each one by one. It will be multiplied with this one. 4, 4, 4, minus 7, 35, minus 2, minus 39, 22, 31, 2, minus 27, and 11. यहाँ तक आपको बात समझ में आ गई. Now we find BC. BC is equal to B matrix 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 4, and C matrix is 1, 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, 1. it is 2 3 cross 2, it is 3 sorry 2 cross 4. So BC is possible and order of BC is 3 cross 4, 3 row 4 column. 1 2 3 1